Hey, how's it going? So, who doesn't love a warm shop or a warm ice house or just warmth in general, especially this time of year in Minnesota? So, here I have a fan. It's just no batteries. It just works off, I believe, a thermocouple and a DC motor. Just uses heat differential to generate electric charge to spin a fan. And it just connects easily to your Mr. Buddy heater, or you can set it on top of wood stove. It comes with the brackets, and it just helps circulate air from these propane heaters. These are really great for their portability, especially for ice houses or even in my frozen shop out here. Makes working in the winter a little bit more bearable. So what I have here is just a portable Buddy Mr. Heater. I have a couple of these different styles of heaters. This one I just have a little filter in line and a hose that goes to a 20-pound propane cylinder. And yeah, let's go see what this. So it's Minnesota. It's cold in the winter, and I use one of those little heater buddies. And so I got this fan to kind of help with the garage, and it works on a stove, but you can also attach it to a heater buddy. So I'll show you how I do that. Let's take a look at what we got here. This is a 4-blade stove fan. I'll put a link down below. It's got the directions here, and it shows you how to install it on the Mr. Buddy heater here. Comes with the additional hooks, I think. Yep, so here we got the hooks. And it's pretty simple. It doesn't require any batteries. It just works off of I think a thermocouple, I believe. It just uses the heat differential. Comes with a little handle here for holding. It's a pretty clever design. I believe it uses the heat differential to generate an electric current. See, there's a small DC motor in there that spins. So let's try this thing out and see how well it circulates air. I've had this heater on for a few hours here, and I've placed this cardboard box about 6 feet away. Ambient temperature in the shop right now is 46 degrees. So that's actually not bad for out here this time of year. I do have another electric heater powering where I stand. And let's see, let's use this little IR gun. Right now we got 52 degrees. That box has been there for a while. They said at least a half hour, and 52 degrees. So let's turn off the heater and attach the fan and see how this thing does. So let's turn the heater off. Right now I have the Mr. Buddy portable, or Mr. Heater portable buddy. I have it attached through a filter, through a hose, to a 20-pound propane cylinder. And this thing on low will heat up the garage, getting it to, sweatshirt weather at least for several days before I need to replace the. So all we do is we just slide this on the bracket, just like that. It's the pedestal base just fits right in there. And then you just set it down in there. There we go. And then you turn on the heater. And we'll put it on low. That's what I usually run it on in the shop. All right, and there we go. You saw it come up to power. It just takes a little bit. That was about 30 seconds. And I got this little cheap anemometer here. Let's just see if it even registers. Yep, I'm not getting anything on the anemometer. I can feel it, just not enough to register on this little anemometer here. But let's let it run for a little bit, and let's see if it heats up that cardboard box. It's about 6 feet away. So I decided to let the fan run a little longer, let it come up to temperature. It's been on there about 30 minutes. So let's try the anemometer again. It's coming off at about 4.6 miles per hour, 4.5 miles per hour. So yeah, it's not bad. Let's see what the box temperature reads. So let's see what the box temperature reads. Again, it's been there about a half hour. It's about 6 feet away. It's reading 61.7. Yeah, it's not bad. It's about 6 feet away. maybe a little more than that. It's about 60 degrees. So I think this will be a handy little gadget to have. It seems like it's at least circulating the air. I mean, before I had that box over there, and it was just barely above ambient. And the ambient temperature in the garage is about 50 degrees now. Like I said, I've had that fan on there about a half hour, so it's really circulating the air. Before, I'd gone up from about 40 to about 42, 44 degrees, and it's come up a whole 4 degrees in just 30 minutes. So I think this is really a great add to these Mr. Heater portable buddies. I have a few other Mr. Heater products, and we'll see how it works with those. But I think I'm going to leave this attached. It's really great for just pushing that heat out just enough to warm the area. So I think it'd be really nice inside of a larger ice house or even a camper, because these portable buddies are good inside campers. You can use them inside enclosed spaces. I'd still crack a window and maybe have a carbon monoxide detector handy. But for what it is, I think it was about 25, 30 bucks, something like that. But and it doesn't require any power. So, yeah, I think it's a pretty good buy. Pretty happy with it. Anyway, that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed it. And thanks for watching.